Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove rust from an old vintage toy truck using Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath Concentrate Mix. First off, Metal Rescue, it's the cleanest, safest, and easiest way to remove rust from metal parts. Metal Rescue's safe on paint, plastic, rubber, and skin. It's safe on everything except rust. Before we get started, let's take a good look at all that rust. Yeah, it's a lot. Look at all that rust. Now don't worry about that old paint or anything else on this truck. Again, Metal Rescue, it's not an acid. It's not going to harm anything. It'll just remove the rust. That's it. Now with that said, there are a few exceptions when soaking a painted item in Metal Rescue. Couple tips for you. Metal Rescue won't remove or harm the vast majority of paint coatings. However, if there's a layer of rust underneath the paint, some of the paint coating will be lost as Metal Rescue removes the rust. Also, some paints and inks may use iron oxide as pigment, usually orange or red. Since Metal Rescue has been engineered to remove iron oxide, it may dissolve the pigment in these types of paints. It's always best to test a small section or hidden area prior to use. Okay? Alright, now it's time for the fun part. Grab a plastic tub. Keep in mind that Metal Rescue, it's temperature sensitive. Make sure the solution is 68 degrees or above. Also to keep your mind at ease, Metal Rescue, yeah, it's eco-friendly and biodegradable. Alright, pour in the Metal Rescue Concentrate Mix. Then, pour in a gallon of water. Make sure it's only a gallon, no more, no less. Then, mix it up. Yeah, safe on skin. Okay, step 1, soak it. Soak times will depend on the amount of rust on your part. Step 2, check it. Make sure all the rust is gone. If the rust is still there, let it soak a little longer. Okay, let's check it again, make sure all that rust is gone. Whoa, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. All the rust is gone. Oh, Metal Rescue? Yeah, it's not one and done. It's reusable. Slap a lid on it and save it for the next project. You know, 1 gallon of Metal Rescue will remove up to a half a pound of rust. Moving on to step 3, dry and protect. Keep in mind that after the rust is gone, what you're left with is a clean, bare metal surface, which needs to be treated. We're going to hit it with some of our dry Coat Rust Preventative spray, which when applied, dries to the touch. Yep, no sticky mess. It'll protect your part for up to a year in indoor storage. Now, let's take a good close look at those after shots. Paint's fine, chrome is fine, the wheels are fine. Alright, now let's do a little side-by-side action. Yeah, look at that before and after. Yeah, what do you think? Tell us in the comments below. Or, pick a jug up for yourself. You can buy our concentrate version at your local AutoZone. If you want it ready to use, you can buy it at your local Home Depot or Canadian Tire. For those parts that you can't soak, try out our new Metal Rescue Gel. It's available at your local AutoZone. Thanks for watching.